He who stands tall is the man who is regarded for his uniqueness. 24th November 1950, an exceptional person was born, a boy who would grow up to become the most sought after man for many. A man with a sharp mind, high intelligence, and amazing creative abilities. His talent and his intelligence remain largely unparalleled. Very few can boast of the kind of charisma this man carries. Ram Prakash Daruka was born to late Shri Shri Ramji Daruka and late Shrimati Banarsi Devi Daruka in a small town then called Bhilwara in Rajasthan in 1950. Third amongst 6 children of this lovely parents, Ram Prakash was a naughty and an adorable child. He was unique with his antics and so was the dazzling sparkle in his eyes. Being born in a small town and in a middle-class family, he was always keen to make a mark of his own and learn the trends of the new world and be open to the newness of things. This open and broad-mindedness of his made him take up many endeavors in his life, including one which was out of India, in Africa, a thing rare in those days. He did not let his small-town upbringing deter him from taking up work in any sphere of life or in any country. In fact, he won hearts wherever he went. He is so honest and carries such high standards of integrity that many a times he has gone out of his way to help people even if that meant compromising his own family's comfort. He has always stood by ethical and honest means of working under any circumstance, a quality almost rare today in this world. Raised in Bhilwara, RP, as he is famously called by his close friends and relatives, turned into this dapper, handsome young man. With a towering height of 6 feet, RP was the simple boy next door with his chocolate boy looks, amazing physique that would certainly make any girl go weak in her knees with his sheer charm and personality. Had destiny taken him to Bollywood to shine on the silver screen, we are sure he would have given a tough competition to the icons of Bollywood then and today. It is a famous story in the family that the girls would wait hours to catch a glimpse of this young handsome man, and the boys would only be in awe of this magnificent man with the rare combination of good looks and a sharp mind. His fad was such that one photo studio in Bhilwara kept his picture in the studio for over 40 years to lure potential customers. In his prime and as a young boy, he started to showcase his talent for arts and culture and became extremely popular in his college and his city for his amazing talent in the field of arts and drama. He acted in several plays with his friends and college mates. With his looks and personality, it only added to the fun. His popularity did not limit only to one area of art and drama but extended to his other areas of interest as well. He contested the college elections and won the title of student president with a huge majority. His popularity was such that the entire city came on the streets to celebrate his victory with trucks full of boys singing and dancing. People from neighboring towns came and celebrated this one-of-a-kind event, the victory of this enigmatic man, Ram Prakash. Soon this beautiful man got married to yet another beautiful woman, Sadhana, the best life partner he could have ever had. Soft, intelligent, courageous, bold, and highly dedicated human being. Such was Sadhana. Soon, they became a team with their wit and intelligence put together which attracted many others to them. The deposition of this is when in the prime of their youth and with Sadhana pregnant with her first child, they decided to migrate to Nigeria in Africa on an interesting assignment of taking up the position of an accounts professor in a leading university in Nigeria. In those days, this was a big thing. Soon, they were blessed with 2 little angels, Mehul and Meha, both born in Nigeria. RP was now a doting father and a family man, and his streak of popularity continued in Nigeria as well. He was popular with his students there, gained popularity soon with his friends, and also in few years left his mark as an accounts professor at the university he worked for in Nigeria. Coming from a humble background, it was a rare feat to make your mark in foreign lands, which RP accomplished with panache. His traits of this very caring, extremely witty, and compassionate man made him extremely popular with his friends and family. Soon, his charisma enamored people of a club now an extremely popular club, the Agarwal Club, of which he was one of the co-founders as well. He rose to fame within the club with his impeccable communication, magnetic personality, charm, poetic outlook, and an aura to die for. His creative instincts got into their best element when he wrote and directed a few plays with the members of the club who were more than happy to engage with him. He was amongst the most popular members of the club. Known and loved by many, RP's charm has always been unique and his personality magnetic. A smile to die for, a persona to make you go weak in knees, a mind so sharp that makes most fumble in front of him out of nervousness, and a heart made of pure gold. This by no means is an exaggeration. This is in fact an understatement. They do not make men like him anymore. Celebrating this charmer, dapper, and this beautiful man's 70th birthday today is a pleasure. His friends, his family, and his well-wishers all wish him an extremely healthy, happy, and a long life. May he keep charming us with his magnificent personality for several decades to come. We love you, Papa. RP, Ram Prakash ji, Daruka Sahab, Daruka ji. Wish you an incredibly happy 70th birthday. Stay healthy and happy always, and may you always keep mesmerizing us with your charm. God bless you with good health and long life. Wish you a very, very happy birthday.